Hi guys, good morning. So today before I do the recap, 3rd of October 2022, I want you to just remember these simple concepts again. We had mentioned that in our previous recaps. So you would have seen the way price moves, whenever price is in, so price can either be in an uptrend and it does this, right? While in an uptrend. You want to be buying at the support, right? And if it's in a downtrend, it does something like this. You want to be selling, sorry, at the resistance, right? Now, if price is just printing like this, price is in a consolidation, right? It's better you just avoid that range, right? Okay. All right. So with this understanding, let's go into what we have for today. This is the start of a new week, so we'll look at how the previous week ended. So do you remember when we discussed this last week? So we mentioned this is a key level. These are key levels. These are key levels. And what do you think happened here? This is a key level as well, right? So price tapped into this, rejected strongly. Orders were collected from here for possible drive up to most likely retest here, right? Okay. So with that, we understand that price ultimately is bullish from the weekly. From the daily, remember our analysis was that this daily has rejected. This next one will most likely mirror this same candle. So as there was a rejection at this level, this next candle closed strong bullish. So as soon as this daily candle, right, wick down like this and stay break up, it will most likely mirror this minimum. So this was a clean range to play in. Right now, as we approach this level, we know that price may react. So this candle closed into that level strongly, right? So we just had to wait for today's candle to wick down. And as soon as it starts breaking this place or this place, to most likely go up to here, right? We understand why this is, okay? So now our range today is here or here, right? Good. So we know that we are for buys today, following from the weekly and the daily. Now let's go back to the 4-hour. We trade the 6 a.m. 4-hour candle, 6 a.m. GMT 4-hour candle. So we had this our level. Again, price was in a range. So remember what I said. Whenever price is in an uptrend, you want to be buying and support. So price moved up, made a support, moved up, made another support, will most likely move up again to make another support. So you want to be buying at these levels, that's here. You want to bind this support. You want to bind this support, right? Good. You want to bind this support. So that shows that we're in an uptrend, right? Okay. So now, let's see how we could have taken this trade and whenever price, based on what you understand, whenever price goes up, retraces, if it finds a support in that uptrend, you want to start buying the support for it to make another high, right? For it to retrace again, you buy that next support. For it to make another high, to retrace again, you buy the next support. And like that till for there to be a change of trend, if it now makes another high and begins to go low, breaking this and maybe this support, then we are looking at a change of trend. So price may now retest the support from inside and flag down. Do you understand? So this shows that there's now a change of trend. So, but meanwhile, we are still bullish. So we are just buying supports here, right? So let's go down to the 1 hour and the 30 minutes to see how we could have taken a trade, right? So this was our session. This whole candle from starting from here, this is into here. This is all I trade. All I trade. So this is the 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, 10. Right? So that's all I trade. All I trade. Right? So 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, 10. These are just everything I trade. It be summed up in this candle, these candles, right? So now we know that we want to buy support. We know that there was a range here. Oh, sorry. We know that there was a range here, right? Candle retested, candle rejected, more like rejected here, right? Looking left, there were clean candles all the way down to the left, right? To the left, we had clean candles, right? We had clean candles. So we know that if we break above this level and price finds, so price retests, so this is the up, price comes down, retests it from below and starts going up, right? That's, we want to be able to buy that support, right? Okay, so as soon as price did this, came and rested and created a support, buys we are taking as soon as you broke here. So I'll show you how it looks like when we put our levels. Put back our levels, all right? So now this is it. So this is a 4-hour level. So price, so the buys we are taking as soon as this candle broke above, the next candle came down, created a support. This candle, as soon as this current candle wicked down and started flipping bullish here, buys we are taking to retest here, right? So that's the whole idea, right? So the buy was executed at 8:30, just after London Open. Stops were the current candle, about 30 pips. TP was here reasonably, right? So this was the trade. This was the trade. Knowing that we are taking our buyers from the weekly, from the daily, from the 4-hour. You see that price was rejecting a strong 4-hour level. So as soon as we took buys by 8:30, by 9:30, 1 hour later, our TP was, our level was smacked. This level here was smacked. We entered here. So this was our trade, this whole inside. Knowing fully well that when you look left, there's a massive bullish candle, just one candle drop down. So we most likely have that mirror here going forward. So I hope this makes sense, and I hope to see the comments. If this helps you, please comment. And if not, that's fine. Just like, share, and follow. See you tomorrow.